guys, it's Melanie, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another collection. I've done a couple of these. I think I've done a sneaker collection and a hoodie collection, and you guys seem to like both of those a lot. So today I decided to do a jewelry collection. Hopefully this gives you guys some inspiration for jewelry and where to shop. I also want to say that I probably separating this video up because I organized all my jewelry out, just the necklaces, and it already covers my entire bed. So if you want to see another part to this video that has like rings or bracelets, friendship bracelets, accessories, or like hair accessories, just let me know and I'll be sure to do that for you. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I switched up the angle a little bit, but I'm just gonna be trying on all the jewelry and then explaining a little bit about it. I'm gonna be organizing it kind of like by the shop. For starters, I have this necklace. This one is from Princess Polly. It just has a little bumblebee on it. I like the length of it a lot because it's short. I also have this necklace from Princess Polly. It's a little bit longer, so I think it's really good for layering. I have this layered set that I really like because it's nice and cohesive and goes together really well. It's just a little coin one and then this bigger coin one, and they do separate, so I like to wear them separate and together. Now these are some jewelry pieces from Forever 21. This is a layered coin necklace. It's kind of like a brassy tone, which I really like. Kind of like a more bohemian feel. And then I have the same one in silver. It's just also layered, but it's kind of messed up right now. Layered coins like that. I have this one, which is like choker hearts kind of, but they're like sideways. This one is like a dainty jewel necklace, and it's kind of like a white gold or rose gold. This one is like a layered pearl necklace, and to be completely honest, I haven't really been sure how to style this one, but I still think it's really cute, so I've held on to it. This one is like a pre-layered coin necklace, and then this one's a very basic like beaded choker. This one's honestly tarnished a lot because I think I've worn it in the shower and stuff, but it used to be gold. This is honestly one of my favorite necklaces. It was from like my mom or grandma or something. I honestly just found it somewhere, but I've grown really attached to it. It's really nice quality because it is like 14 karat gold and stuff, and I think it has like Mary and Joseph on it or something. I'm not even sure, but it's just like a coin necklace, so I really love layering and stuff with it. This one is the basic Tiffany necklace. It's just the bigger pendant, and I wear this one all the time. Sometimes I'll layer it, sometimes I'll just wear it by itself, but I got this one with my friend. This one is just a Kendra Scott necklace. I think a lot of people have this one. I really like it because it's a short length, and I think it was pretty unique because it's like a black, like the entire chain and everything is black. This one is a pretty normal length. It just has an M for Melanie, and I got it from Anthropologie. This one I recently featured in a haul, I believe, but it just has my name on it, and it's hand wired by the small shop that I really love. These ones were also featured in that same haul. They're super great for layering and such, and they give a really nice unique touch. They have like unique chains, and it's all customizable. From the same shop, I also got this one, and you can layer them all together if you want. I like to wear this one separately, but it's just like a little tag necklace, and you get to decide what it says, so I chose blessed and self-love. I also got both of these rose gold pieces from Etsy. This one is like a coin necklace, and it's horoscope, so it's a Libra for my sign, and this one is just like a beaded choker again. They're both rose gold, so I really like to layer them together, and if I ever wear jewelry that I don't want to take off, like sleep in and shower in, I'll usually wear these because they are like sterling silver, so they don't tarnish. Next off, I have a bunch of pieces from my girl Alexis Rice, or her site is called Honey by Lex, and I love her pieces because they're super customizable and you can adjust all the lengths and stuff like that. For example, like this one is a nice silver chain that's really simple. I like to layer it with longer necklaces like this one that's a Locke. I have this same chain in gold that I also like to layer a lot. And then in that same chain pattern, I have a bunch of different necklaces with different like pendants. So I have this one that's a lock and key. I also have this one which has like dangling butterflies. I feel like that's really popular on TikTok and stuff. And I also have this one which I really like. It has a safety pin on it, kind of edgy even. Then from my girl Kate Lee, I have this necklace from Precious by Kate, and it's just a pretty little purple butterfly. I have this really simple Starfish rose gold necklace that I got from a boutique in Maui when I went. I also have this super dainty little heart necklace. I think this was also from like my grandma or something. Unfortunately, it's very tangled at the top. I cannot get it undone, so I will not be trying this one on. I also have this rose gold mini cross necklace. I also have the same one in silver, and I wear this one a lot, so it's slightly tarnished, but these are my favorite cross necklaces, and I just got both of them from Target. I have this tiny little shell necklace that I think I got in a little like kit from H&M. I have this little circle M pendant that I got from my friend for my birthday a little while ago. I have this really simplistic necklace. It just has like a little like tube pendant in the middle, which I think is really nice and classy. I also got this jade necklace from my aunt for my graduation gift actually very recently, and I think it's such a cool staple piece. I really would not wear it with this dress, but I think it's really cool and I can't wait to style this. This little choker heart necklace is from an online store called Shop Sweet Peeps. I got it a very long time ago, but it's just rose gold, pretty dainty. And then from the same shop, I have this really dainty little like rhinestone necklace. These next few pieces are all from Brandy. I have this pretty chunky big chain necklace. It's very e-boy vibes. This choker beaded necklace from them. It's pretty boho. I have the same beaded choker that I had in gold and rose gold. Of course, I also had to get in silver because I wear this all the time and layer it with a lot of stuff. This very simple cross necklace from them. It's a very tiny baby cross. I also have this gold necklace that is a little lightning bolt. I have this super dainty beaded necklace. It's just gold with white beads on it. I have this one that's a white silver. It's also very dainty and it just has silver beads. This one that is gold and it's actually a locket that opens. The very basic star choker. I have the same one in silver. Last necklace is just this gold and pink beaded one. I have these two necklaces from Hawaii. This one my friend actually got me when she went to Hawaii. Of course, I have the basic puka shell necklace. These next couple of necklaces are from Shop Olive Lynn, which is a pretty small like boutique shop. It's very beachy vibe. This first one is a wrap necklace and it has a little sunshine pendant. These similar brassy beady tone. I have this one that has little flowers. They look like little poppies or daisies. I also have this one, which is a puka shell, and it has the beaded gold necklace with little white beads on it. This one has kind of orange and coral beads, and it has a little sunshine pendant. This one gives me very VSCO vibes as well. This one has kind of white bluish beads, and then it has little star jewels on it. I think this one's so adorable. And then this one is blue, and it has one of those little flowers that was on one of the past necklaces, but it's just a single one.
Also, this one, it reminds me of like Moana or something because of the little pendant.
And then this is the last one from Shop Olive Lynn, and it's just rose gold, and it has these little butterflies. This is gonna be a pain to untangle. These are all necklaces that I made myself. To start off, I just have this one. It has a tiny cross and a little jewel on it. I guess I didn't really make this one. It was like two separate necklaces, and I combined it onto one cord or necklace. I don't know. This one is a plain gold chain, and then I put this little butterfly pendant on it. I got this pendant from, I think, Etsy, and it came in like a big pack of like 10 or something, and butterflies into all different shades. For a while, I was absolutely obsessed with these tiny beaded necklaces. I have this one, which is turquoise, and it kind of has like some red and yellow and black in it as well. And then I basically did the same technique with a bunch of different ones, so I'm just gonna show you them without trying it on because I have so many. This one, which is kind of like earthy tone beads, I think this one's super cute. It looks like something they would literally sell at like Anthropologie. A plain white one, and I wear this all the time and layer it a lot. I also have a white one, but the only difference is it has a little baby cross in the center. I also have this one that I made in kind of a recent-ish video. It's pink, and then it has little baby daisies on it. I have it in a recent tutorial how I make like a lot of my jewelry. Then I also have this one, which is a little bit thicker beads. It's just black and it has white and burgundy in it. And I also made the same exact one, except it just has green instead of the burgundy. And then for my very last necklace of this video, it's just, of course, a simple puka shell necklace. I think I also have a tutorial on how I made this, but it was super simple. This is what it just looks like on, and it's just on this very thin cord that's kind of like, I don't even know what this cord is called, but very thin cord and tiny puka shell. Super cute. Alright guys, so that was my video. Those were all of my necklaces. I know there were so many, and honestly my thumb literally hurts from putting all of these on and taking them off, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas for jewelry and where to shop. I hope that it was helpful to you, and if you enjoyed seeing my style, my jewelry, whatever like that, make sure to drop a comment and check me out on my other socials. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!